Welcome to Wiggle Giggle! Let's wiggle and giggle with songs, stories, and smiles.
Play, play, play today. Blocks and cars, hooray, hooray. Then my tummy says, hey, hey, time to stop my play. Wiggle, wiggle, now I know. My tummy says it's time to go. Mommy, mommy, here I come. I feel something in my tum. Mommy smiles, let's go, go. To the potty, off we go. Step, step, step along. Little feet go marching on. There's my potty, D-S-I-C, waiting right there for me. Potty time, here I go. I know what to do. Getting ready, nice and slow. I can do it too. Sit, sit, sit and try. Take your time as time goes by. Breathe in softly, 1, 2, 3. Nice and calm as calm can be. Sit and whine, time
I
doing
did it!
fine. Right, then take my little time. I did it! Hip hooray!